The first words you say in the morning set the tone for your entire day. And in Spanish, those first words are something special. Today, you are going to learn exactly how Spanish speakers start their mornings, the greetings, the breakfast phrases, the small talk, all of it. Starting right now. There is something about a Spanish morning that just feels different, slower, warmer, more intentional. Right, Isabella?
Completely. In Spain, we take our mornings seriously. The coffee, the conversation, the bread with olive oil. It is not just breakfast. It is a whole ritual. I am Isabella, and together, this is Spanish Daily Podcast.
Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are giving you the complete morning routine in Spanish. Every phrase you need, from the moment you wake up to the moment you sit down with your first coffee.
Pure A1 and A2 level. Short, natural phrases that you can start using literally tomorrow morning. Let us begin.
The very first thing, the phrase every Spanish morning begins with.
Buenos días. Good morning. Buenos means good. Días means days, used in the plural here. You say this to everyone. Your partner when you wake up, your neighbor in the hallway, your barista, your coworker. Everyone gets buenos días in the morning in Spain and Latin America.
Repeat after me. Buenos días. Buenos días.
And if you want to be a little more formal, you can say buenos días. ¿Cómo está usted? Good morning. How are you? But just buenos días with a warm smile is always enough.
You wake up and the first real conversation of the day begins. This is your opening question.
¿Cómo dormiste? How did you sleep? ¿Cómo means how. Dormiste means you slept. A very natural and warm morning question between people who share a home or a close relationship.
Repeat. ¿Cómo dormiste? ¿Cómo dormiste?
And the most common answers you will hear are dormí bien, gracias, which means I slept well, thank you. Or dormí mal, which means I slept badly. Simple and completely natural.
Some mornings you wake up and one phrase describes everything about your entire state of being.
Tengo sueño. I am sleepy. Literally, I have sleep. Tengo means I have. Sueño means sleep or sleepiness. In Spanish, you do not say estoy dormido. You say tengo sueño. You have the sleepiness, not that you are it.
Repeat. Tengo sueño. Tengo sueño.
And if you are very tired, you say tengo mucho sueño. I am very sleepy. That one you will use on many mornings, trust me.
This question. In Spanish culture, this question might be the most important one of the entire morning.
100%. Coffee is sacred in Spain. We drink café con leche in the morning. That is, coffee with hot milk. And offering someone a coffee is the first act of hospitality in any Spanish morning.
Repeat. ¿Quieres café? ¿Quieres café?
And to say yes, you simply say, sí, por favor. Yes, please. And to say, I would love one, you say, me encantaría. That one always makes people smile.
After the coffee, the next most important morning feeling.
Tengo hambre. I am hungry. Tengo means I have. Hambre means hunger. Just like tengo sueño for sleepiness, in Spanish you have hunger rather than be hungry. Tengo hambre.
Repeat. Tengo hambre. Tengo hambre.
And if you are very hungry, tengo mucha hambre. I am very hungry. This one gets used a lot before the first meal of the day, especially in Spain, where breakfast tends to be on the lighter side.
Your Spanish morning is already coming together. If Spanish Daily Podcast is part of your routine now, please subscribe so you never miss a new episode. New content every single week.
And leave us a like. It genuinely helps so many more people find us and start their mornings in Spanish, just like you are doing right now.
5 more phrases. These are the ones that take your morning from a greeting to a full conversation. Let us keep going. Coffee is poured. The morning is settling. Now comes the first real conversation starter of the day.
¿Qué planes tienes hoy? What are your plans for today? ¿Qué means what? Planes means plans. Tienes means you have. Hoy means today. A completely natural morning question between friends, partners, or colleagues.
Repeat. ¿Qué planes tienes hoy? ¿Qué planes tienes hoy?
And a simple answer could be tengo trabajo, I have work. Or no tengo planes, I have no plans. Or voy a, I am going to, followed by wherever you are headed.
One of the most natural things to talk about in any morning conversation in any language.
Hace buen tiempo. The weather is nice. Hace means it makes or it is, used for weather. Buen tiempo means good weather. And if it is cold, you say hace frío. And if it is hot, you say hace calor.
Repeat. Hace buen tiempo. Hace frío.
These 3 phrases cover almost every morning weather conversation you will ever have in Spanish. Simple, flexible, and completely natural.
The morning always has a clock ticking somewhere in the background. Here is how you ask about it.
¿A qué hora tienes que salir? What time do you have to leave? ¿A qué hora means at what time. Tienes que means you have to. Salir means to leave or to go out.
Repeat. ¿A qué hora tienes que salir? ¿A qué hora tienes que salir? ¿A qué hora tienes que salir?
And the answer would be, tengo que salir a las 8. I have to leave at 8. You already know how to say the time from our previous episode, so now you can put it all together.
And now the phrase that sends someone off into their morning in the best possible way.
Que tengas un buen día. Have a great day. Que tengas means may you have. Un buen día means a good day. This is the warmest and most complete morning farewell in Spanish. You say this to your partner, your friend, your neighbor, anyone you care about heading out into the world.
Repeat. Que tengas un buen día. Que tengas un buen día.
And the response is igualmente, which means the same to you. Or gracias, tú también. Thank you, you too. Both are completely natural.
And now, the moment everything comes together. A complete Spanish morning conversation using everything you learned today.
Buenos días. ¿Cómo dormiste? Tengo hambre. ¿Quieres café? Que tengas un buen día. Good morning. How did you sleep? I am hungry. Do you want coffee? Have a great day. That is an entire Spanish morning in 4 sentences.
Say it all with me. Buenos días. ¿Cómo dormiste? Tengo hambre. ¿Quieres café? Que tengas un buen día. Buenos días. ¿Cómo dormiste? Tengo hambre. ¿Quieres café? Que tengas un buen día.
That is a real Spanish morning. And tomorrow when you wake up, that is exactly what it is going to sound like.
Final recap. I say it in English. You say the Spanish out loud before the answer comes. Ready? Good morning.
Buenos días.
How did you sleep?
¿Cómo dormiste?
I am sleepy.
Tengo sueño.
Do you want coffee?
¿Quieres café?
I am hungry.
Tengo hambre.
What are your plans for today?
¿Qué planes tienes hoy?
The weather is nice.
Hace buen tiempo.
What time do you have to leave?
¿A qué hora tienes que salir?
Have a great day.
Que tengas un buen día.
Good morning. How did you sleep? I am hungry. Do you want coffee? Have a great day.
Buenos días. ¿Cómo dormiste? Tengo hambre. ¿Quieres café? Que tengas un buen día.
Every morning is a new beginning. And now yours can begin in Spanish. That is not a small thing. That is a whole different way of starting your day.
In Spain, we say that the morning sets the tone for everything that comes after. So start it warmly. Start it intentionally. Start it with buenos dias and everything that follows.
Your challenge today. Tomorrow morning, use at least one phrase from today. Just one. Buenos dias to someone you love. Como dormiste to your partner. Or just tengo sueño to yourself in the mirror. And then come back here and tell us about it in the comments.
We read every single comment, every one, and we would love to hear about your Spanish morning.
Subscribe to Spanish Daily Podcast, leave a like, and share this with someone who needs a better morning routine.
Buenos dias, amigos. Que tengan un buen día.
See you in the next one.